Hi guys, I'm Sunny and this is Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today I'm going to be making Indian scrambled eggs or egg di burji. It's one of the most epic ways to eat egg. Really simple, really delicious. Watch this video till the end. Let's do this. Right, let's coat the pan with some olive oil, and then we're going to go straight in with 2 medium-sized onions which I've chopped finely, as well as our frozen peas. Straight in there now. Just give that a little stir together, mix them up. And I'm just going to let these kind of saute together for just a few moments. Let these onions wilt down slightly, get a little bit caramelized, get a little bit sauteed before we start adding our spices and our other ingredients. Right, and this egg dish is like a family favorite. Whenever your mum's short on time for dinner, she'll make you like an egg di burji. You can have this for dinner, lunch, breakfast, whenever, and it's just epic. One of my favorite ways to eat egg. It's a really quick recipe as well. Right, while those onions are just sauteing, I'm just going to go ahead and chop up my tomatoes. So just a rough chop. I've got 2 large tomatoes and I've got a couple of cherry tomatoes. You can use just 3 normal tomatoes. I just got them, so I'm using them up. And just a rough chop. You just want the water out of them really. Right, let's check up on our saute. Right, so these onions are like wilting down. They're getting a little bit translucent. I think we're ready for our spices to go in. Okay guys, we're going in with half a teaspoon of salt. We're going in with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And we're going in with 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala. And just a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Give this all a nice stir together. And straight away you just pick up that aroma. And I'm just going to let these spices just get to know the onions and the peas just for a moment. And then I'm going to add my tomatoes. Right, we're looking good. Now I don't want these spices to burn, so now is the perfect time to go ahead and add our tomatoes. Wonderful. Just look at the colour. Beautiful. You can just eat this like it is. Right, I'm going to give this about 5 or 6 minutes just to wilt down, saute, let all them flavours get to know each other, and then we're going to go in with our eggs. And that's when the magic happens. Beautiful. And it's a really easy recipe. There's no ginger, there's no garlic. You know, it's not like a lot of other traditional Indian dishes. This is really simple. Just spices, onions, a touch of oil, some tomatoes, some peas, eggs and coriander. So simple. Right, we've been in the pan for about, 5-6 minutes, and these onions and the spices are looking wonderful. The aroma is amazing, and we're almost ready for our eggs. See, these tomatoes have gone like nice and jammy. You know, they've released their water content, which is exactly what we wanted. Right, I'm just going to spread these ingredients out around the pan, and then we're going to go in with our eggs. Right, I'm just going to go 6 eggs straight into the mix. And guys, at this stage, I like to add just a touch of pepper, just to top the eggs off a little bit. Right, and then we're just going to stir these in and scramble our eggs. Let's put them on a low heat and just let those eggs get to know the rest of our spices and our onions. And we're just going to combine this all together to make the most beautiful, the most sexiest scrambled eggs ever. And you want your eggs just to like curdle up really slowly, like you would make a normal scrambled egg. Just keep stirring it. Now, and these eggs aren't going to be wet. We're going to let them dry up. We're going to let them like cook quite well, exactly how you would have them like in India, but we're just going to let them cook slowly. So simple, but it's a massive family favorite. Everyone loves this, and your mum will whip this up for you when you're like, you know, when she's short on time and like she hasn't got time to make a proper meal. This is what she comes up with, and it's like, yes, I love this growing up. Even now, you know, if I go around my mum's and like, this is what she's got. Amazing, brilliant. These are really firming up nicely now. Just gonna let them, give them another minute or 2, and we're almost there. And for a lot of people, these eggs would be done now, but because it's Indian style eggs, you just need to give them a little bit longer. Okay, so while this is just finishing off in the pan, I'm just going to prepare my coriander, and then we're ready to go. Bunch of coriander, and finally chop it. Right, and we're just going to go straight in with our fresh coriander. This is a must, you can't skip the coriander. If you haven't got it, go and get it. And right, This is ready to come off the heat and this plate up. This aroma is outstanding, can't wait. Right, let's spoon in this beautiful scrambled egg. Outstanding, just look at that. This is epic, this is simple and this is packed with flavour. And we finish off with just a garnish of fresh coriander. And there you have it, this is my epic Indian scrambled eggs, or egg di porgi, ready in 15 minutes, absolutely stunning. Right guys, there you have it, this is my epic, absolutely epic Indian scrambled eggs, or egg di porgi, which is what we call it. Guys, this is a breakfast, a lunch or a dinner, trust me, just make it, go and make it today, don't hesitate, this is outstanding. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and get stuck in. Before I do, guys, if you like my videos, if you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and hit that notification bell as well, that really helps us. If you want me to try a specific dish, put it in the comments below, I'll try my best. Anyway, enough talking, I'm gonna get stuck in. Okay, first off, I'm just gonna try a bit on its own. This beautiful velvety egg, so creamy. So good, so well balanced. That's what you gotta do, you gotta get a bit of flatbread, put a bit of that egg. Absolutely smashing dish. Alright guys, this is one of them dishes where unless you try it, you just don't know how good it is. It's so simple to prepare, just with some garam masala, some turmeric, some salt, some pepper, some coriander, a few eggs, and some onions. It's outstanding, you've got to make this yourself. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's Sunny's effing delicious. Awesome.